When it comes to discussing intimate matters like sex with a partner, it's important to prioritize open and respectful communication.
Here are some tips for initiating a conversation about sex.
1. Choose the right time and place. Find a comfortable and private setting where you can have an open conversation without distractions or time constraints.
2. Be respectful and considerate. Approach the conversation with sensitivity and respect for your partner's boundaries.
Understand that they have the right to their own preferences and comfort levels.
3. Start with an open-ended question. Begin the conversation by asking your partner about their thoughts and feelings regarding intimacy.
For example, you could ask, "I've been thinking about our physical connection lately. How do you feel about exploring our sexual relationship?"
For active listening, allow your partner to express their thoughts and feelings without interruption.
Listen attentively and respond with empathy to show that you value their perspective.
5. Share your own feelings. Be open and honest about your desires and needs.
Express what you enjoy about your physical relationship and any areas where you may want to explore or try something new.
6. Create a safe space for discussion. Encourage your partner to share their desires, concerns, and boundaries.
Make it clear that their comfort and consent are your top priorities.
7. Use I statements. Frame your thoughts and feelings using I statements to avoid sounding accusatory or confrontational.
For example, say, "I would love to try experimenting with different activities that we both feel comfortable with," instead of saying, "You're not satisfying me in bed."
8. Be prepared for different responses. Your partner may have different perspectives or concerns.
It's important to be understanding and patient.
If they express hesitation or reservations, listen attentively and work together to find a solution that respects both of your boundaries.
9. Ongoing communication. Remember that open communication about sex is an ongoing process.
Check in with your partner regularly to ensure that you both feel comfortable and satisfied in your intimate relationship.
Be receptive to feedback and willing to adjust accordingly.
Remember, consent is crucial in any sexual relationship.
Always prioritize open communication, respect, and mutual consent to ensure a healthy and enjoyable experience for both partners.